Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys my everyday spring summer flawless face routine. I've never done a video like this where I show you literally what I've been doing every single day on my face, like a foundation routine, I guess. I don't know. I don't even know what to call it. But I'm gonna be showing you the concealer, foundation, powder, bronzer, and spray that I've been doing on my face every single day, and I love it. I think it's perfect for the spring and the summertime. It's very light. It lasts all day. It looks great in the sun. It looks great in natural lighting and all lighting and the nasty bathroom lighting, and it just makes my skin look so youthful and beautiful, and I really love it and I want to share it with you guys. So I hope you really enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I love doing beauty videos. I do them 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so make sure you're subscribed. And if you like lifestyle, beauty, fashion, all of the above, go check out my Instagram, go follow me there. I actually did this eye look on my Instagram stories today, so make sure that you go see it if you're interested. Yeah. Hello, don't mind my crazy hair. So let's just get started. This is my routine I have been doing, and I think it's perfect for the summer. And some of these products may be products that people rave about a lot, but you guys know I'm completely honest, and these are some good products. If I'm showing them to you, it's because I really do like them, and I'm just so excited to share it. So first, I haven't even put mascara on, but we're just talking about just the face. I did do this eye look over on my Insta stories today, so you can go check it out on my Instagram. So I'm going in with a primer, and oh my gosh, this is like a $1, $2 primer, but it's so freaking good, you guys. It's the AOA Clean Slate Primer. You can find this on Shop Miss A. It's really good. It has never made me break out. And it just smooths over my skin and helps my skin look so smooth, especially when I'm going to be using like a tinted moisturizer type of thing where it's very, very light coverage. You want a primer that's really going to smooth out your skin and make your skin look good, because your skin's going to be showing through. So I'm putting that on, and then we're going in with a concealer. So I like to do this because the foundation is so light coverage. I like put the concealer on first, put on the tinted moisturizer, then put on more concealer. I go between Extra Shot and the NARS concealer for my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this just on some of like my darker spots, because they're just darker. And this is the Carter Beauty Sponge. I actually really enjoy using this not wet or almost dry, because it doesn't suck up concealer or foundation that way. So I'm going to go into the NARS concealer, and I am in the shade Canal Light 2.75, and I'm going to go in. I'm definitely going to go back in after, but this is just what I like to do, and this is how I've been doing it. So I thought I would show you, since you know how I've actually been doing stuff. And then I'm just going to lightly just pat on the Marc Jacobs concealer. Not really blend it out too much, just kind of lightly pat it in like that. And then we're going in with this baby, and I'm telling you guys, this is not a gimmick. This is such a good product. I absolutely love it for the summer, for the spring. It just looks good in all lighting, and it's just so good. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I know it's expensive, but this is so freaking good. I am the shade Medium 4. So I'm gonna put this on. And in the summer though, I think I'm gonna have to go up a little bit, because this is gonna be too light when I start to really get tan. Right now I'm still kind of like, I was in Florida for a couple days, but I'm still not super dark. So you can just see, I can see in the camera, the viewfinder, how glowy it is. Like, you can just see, it's so glowy, but it's so beautiful. It really is. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a brush, and I'm just gonna pat it, because I want as much coverage from that as I can possibly get. And if I use a sponge, it'll kind of give me less coverage, which I don't mind. But right now with my dark spots, I had like massive breakouts last week. So I'm gonna go in a little bit more with the concealer. So now that I've been doing that, this powder combo, guys, you need this. So first off, my normal Peach Perfect translucent powder. I love this for underneath the eyes. It's just my true, like, it never darkens my concealer. It just always looks great under there. It doesn't look too dry, so I just like it. So I'm just gonna use that just underneath my eyes and on my nose. So just underneath my eyes, my nose, maybe the center of my forehead, just a tiny bit. Like that. Then this is the powder I'm going to use. Remember I told you guys about the Winky Lux? I did a powder foundation review because this is labeled as a powder foundation. I'll link that up in an iCard so you can check it out if you haven't seen it. But this is in the shade medium. It's the diamond powder from Winky Lux. And I told you guys in that video, I think this would look beautiful on top of foundation, and I was absolutely right. So I actually put this on top of this particular one, this combo. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So I'm putting it on top of this. So beautiful and glowy, but healthy. Doesn't look cakey. It's wonderful and light, but it lasts all day, and my skin looks so good all day. Okay, next, bronzer. So the bronzer I've actually been using is Physicians Formula. The matte monoi bronzer. I'm in matte Sunkissed, and I've actually been really enjoying that. So I'm going to use that to contour. I've been really enjoying this bronzer. I actually took it with me to Florida because I liked it that much. And to just like bronze and give me like some more glow on my cheeks is this one, the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter. This is in Be My Sunlight. I've been really enjoying this, surprisingly. So even though it kind of looks like it's a little cooler, but it has a glow, I don't know, I've been really liking it. So I'm putting that on my cheeks. And I feel like I don't even need to wear a highlight with this routine because it's so glowy and beautiful that I don't need to wear a highlight. Okay, I'm mixing it up with a different blush that I've been using lately. This is the Burt's Bee Blush in Bare Peach. I haven't used this in a long time, so I wanted something kind of peachier. So I'm gonna use this real quick. But any blush that I do use, I've been putting it on my chin, on my nose, on my cheeks, and I've been loving that. Okay, this is the last step for this like everyday face that I've been using, the flawless face that I've been loving, and it's the Milani Make It Last because it's just going to extend it, especially if you're wearing a mask. I love this. I bought the Big Daddy one off of Ulta, and I'm like halfway through. So I'm gonna spray that. So this is how it ended up looking. I really love it. I love this face look. I'm telling you guys, this is so bomb. You need to try it. And this eye look, like you can see on my Insta stories. My camera died, so I had to get on my phone. So lame, I know, but I really love how it looked. What do you guys think? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to come back to my channel on Wednesday for a brand new video. Bye.